Namaste, welcome to Yes to Health. This is Purva Singh, yoga teacher and dietitian. If you think we are just matter, think twice. Something which you cannot see with your eyes but actually exists. We are like electromagnetic field, the energies flowing in the vast ocean of electromagnetic field. How? I'll tell you, this earth where we are living is like, big huge magnet having north pole and south pole, electromagnetic field flowing through it from north to south pole. We inside that earth are like small magnets inside that big magnet, and the same way our mind and the brain are like north pole, and the spine of our base of our spine is like a south pole. Same way we are in electric charge flowing through us and creating electromagnetic field around us. Although you cannot see it with your eyes, आप उसको देख नहीं सकते हो electromagnetic field around you, but if you have special lenses you can actually see lot of frequencies, waves, lot of energy around you. Now what happens, some people you feel, you come in contact with some people and you feel that energy is drained, you come in contact with some people you feel energized. Why this happens? What actually happens, most of us are living in a survival mode. We are only living by the three lower energy centers that are related to our survival mode. The sensory pleasures, the taste, meeting out, going out, meeting new people. So these are all comes into the survival mode. So survival mode, these three energy centers are very, very important. When you go beyond these energy centers like heart chakra, your heart center, your throat center, your third eye, and then comes the crown chakra. Those are related to more of the selfless things. So let's talk about what happens when you deplete energy when you're living by your hormones and by your emotions. All your actions are being dictated by your hormones and your emotions. So you are depleting energy from your three energy centers and you are drawing energy from the invisible field. You are constantly drawing energy from the invisible field and storing it in your three energy centers. Now what is happening when you're doing this, energy is the charge and no longer flowing through your body. You are depleted of your energy, electromagnetic field around you. This is exactly what happens when you come into the feeling and thinking loop. Constantly thinking and feeling loop, what happens when it goes on for the longer duration of time, you deplete your charges, electrical charges in your body. So no longer electric charges are flowing through your body. And when electrical charges are no longer flowing through your body, you are no longer creating electromagnetic field around you. So your body has got no electromagnetic field around you. You are just a simple matter, not a magnet now. Your magnet loses its electromagnetic field. Your magnet is no longer a magnet. It just becomes a metal or a matter. So what happens? Now the energy is not flowing through you. Now you are constantly living into the three energy centers and your upper chakras are just depleted. This is what is happening with most of us, which do not understand about the energies of our body. Energy is much, much more than, we are much more than just a simple matter. Along with that being matter, we are also energy in the vast ocean of electromagnetic field. That is why you must have seen sometimes when you do breathing practice, with the right kind of breathing practice, with the right kind of asanas practice, with the right kind of disciplined life, you suddenly your body, your electric charge start flowing through your body nicely, and your electromagnetic field gets aligned with a bigger electromagnetic field. That is why we say that when you are aligned with that bigger electromagnetic field, you get to know so many things without even doing anything. आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो and you are getting wisdom from nowhere. not from your memories. You unlearn your, past, your memories, your conditionings. You learned many things which are stored in, the higher level of frequency. You receive that wisdom when you are aligned in a proper energy. So this is what I wanted to tell you about. So this is with the right kind of breathing practice, all these things in a yoga practice, you can actually align yourself nicely. You can get out of the stress, your depression, and this we guarantee, because for us yoga is not just a philosophy, it's a science, and we also deal with our clients the same way. For us, we are doing everything, whatever we are doing, we doing with the facts, with the science, and we know why we are doing it. We are starting our chakra classes soon. In those classes, in that class, we'll talk about your energy centers, your breathing practice, and so many things, which will really amaze you, and you put you in a right aligned to universe. So keep practicing yoga and keep breathing. Until then, namaste.